But
maybe the member for the chairperson of the Education Committee, I think you can confirm.
Let me do it, Madam Speaker. Because
so that we don't belabor the point.
No, Madam Speaker, let me finish my point, kindly. Yes, Madam Speaker, it's okay. It may have worked now. But initially, I tried myself like 10 times. Each of these SMS is costing 25 Kenya shillings. Personally, I lost 250 shillings. How about the other parents from Kenya who tried the same severally? That is my point. I am rising to seek a statement as to what happened to this particular code that we were promised by the CS that it was going to work immediately. That is my point, Madam Speaker.
The chairperson for education, I think, will take it up, but you can respond to it briefly.
Yes, thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I just want to agree with the honorable member and members of the public that a few hours ago, the Cabinet Secretary released exams and gave the members of the public an SMS code. However, after around 30 minutes, the code and the SMS collapsed. Yes, let me just say this. What's out of?
Kindly let him finish his sentence so that you can now have a substantive point of order. But he's not done yet. You can't respond to an incomplete response.
Chair, thank you, Chair. I just want to, I'm just not the Cabinet Secretary, but I'm just trying to tell members so that as current as now, that particular SMS code is working. But I want to agree with you and agree with the honorable member who is asking that this particular code has actually costed Kenyans some money, yet the message has not come through. But Madam Speaker, I just want to say that when I asked the CEO, Kenya National Examination Council, he actually took the blame to Safaricom. But I told him actually the best thing is for him to give us a statement on the same issue, and he agreed that he's going to bring a statement on that particular issue next week. Thank you.
So, member for Jebalungu, the statement will come next week.